Oh, kia ora te whānau. This is Desmond Wanoa reporting live from Auckland. It's pretty raining outside and a nice day today. Reporting live from Auckland from the MOAI CROWN State Sovereign World Peoples of the World newsrooms. To Queen Elizabeth, aka Queen the Second, aka Elizabeth Windsor, I would like to draw to your attention that the current New Zealand Parliament has no sovereignty and head of state now that you are a convicted fugitive criminal fraudster. The whole world is watching the unconstitutional New Zealand Parliament operating their illegal commercial New Zealand John Key government under the assumption you are the head of state. Your legal and lawful status now is a wanted, convicted, murdering, fugitive, criminal, fraudster, thief, with indictably laid charges by Moai Crown against your name and person, Elizabeth Windsor, in the World Court, The Hague, right now. You have also been billed, debt charged, indicted on your personal name, Elizabeth Windsor, along with your administration agents, John Key government, and all ministers named on Moai Crown arrest warrants and property seizure notices for carrying on your crimes of fraud and corruption against the people of New Zealand and the Pacific Islands. All governments and parliaments of the world are usurping God's authority under your head of state, corporate name, style of title, the Queen Elizabeth II, Supreme Governor of the Church of England, and a criminal, fraudulent, corrupted natural persons and corrupt corporate persons who have been earmarked for MOAI CROWN warrants. All your businesses and your business associates and agents, New Zealand John Key government, parliaments, ministers, governor-generals, churches, military, navy, police officers, judges, lawyers, courthouses, councils are all using your head of state and God's name as your sovereignty, crown authority, while you are a convicted criminal, fugitive, thief on the run and hiding. The New Zealand John Key government, parliament and ministers are all collectively and illegally operating unlawfully by administering your businesses under your Queen's Crown head state crown authority of a fraud, corrupted sovereignty of parliament, by swearing an oath to you in front of Almighty God. You are using God's name in vain and as a contradiction and a severe violation against Almighty God's superior rule, law of law. You have placed all the people of New Zealand and the Pacific Islands trust in you by using God's name to bedevil him as your authority. This is a grand treason fraud crime at its highest end and warrants the death penalty. You have till 4 p.m. Friday, the 19th of April 2013 to challenge or refute the statement, where after that it becomes law of the land here in New Zealand and all the Commonwealth countries where your crown title head lies, bitch. You are not the owner of New Zealand as you claim to be, or the head of state here in New Zealand, and no sovereignty of parliament or any jurisdiction here in New Zealand or anywhere in the world for that matter, for you are a wanted criminal, murdering, fraudster, fugitive, thief, wanted in the International Court of Justice, World Court in The Hague right now, you fucking stupid bitch. You have betrayed God by using his supreme mana and divine authority in him for yourself and your criminal, illegal, unlawful, corrupted commercial fraud immigration titles so your alien white people from Britain can come onto our sovereign native lands. This warrants instant dismissal of all your white people you let settle here under your sovereignty. You have no authority from God, and now you have put your whole people that you have let settle here at risk of losing everything, including their rights to stay here on our native lands where your fraudulent occupation land titles expire at 4 p.m. Friday, the 19th of April 2014. From that day on, all your people are subject to deportation under Moai Crown authority. Either that or I will order you all be shot on sight, including yourself. MOAI CROWN arrest warrants apply to all your military, navy, police officers, and your mafia cartels who are currently aiding and abetting your arrest to evade capture. You can't hide forever, you stupid bitch. You have no legal lawful ruling sovereign authority over Moai Crown sovereignty in New Zealand and anywhere in the world under our claim title to God's earth, world, planet, entire creation. You are illegally, unlawfully, criminally, and fraudulently using God's true grace, spirit, superior, higher, divine authority for your own commercial gain as the Queen of England and style name title, the Supreme Governor of the Church of England. You must prove to the world and show the public of New Zealand at large who your God is. Moai Crown makes this public statement to you that after 4 p.m. on Friday, the 19th of April 2013, our arrest warrants and other warrants attached will be legalized and issued to all your subjects, your agents, your administrators, the John Key New Zealand government, the Governor Generals, ministers, commissioners, courts, judges, councils, police authorities, and military as the law of the land. I, Desmond Wanoa, am challenging you, Queen Elizabeth II, Elizabeth Windsor, of your crown title claim against my crown title claim. You have until 4 p.m. Friday the 19th of April 2013 to refute my challenge. If not, then you must surrender your crown title to me, where in return I'm going to put a rusty bullet right between your fucking eyes. Thank you everyone for listening today. Lovely day in Auckland. This is Desmond Wanoa proudly reporting to you live from Moai Crown Sovereign State media newsrooms for all sovereign peoples of the world under the superior divine grace and spirit of Almighty God. Mauri ora.